Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OpenAI embeddings with Python for retrieval pipelines step by step clearly. Start by installing the necessary libraries in your Python environment. Use pip to install the OpenAI client library. In your terminal, run the command pip install OpenAI. Next, import the required libraries in your Python script. At the beginning of your script, include import OpenAI. You will also need NumPy for handling arrays, so import that as well. Now, set up your OpenAI API key. You can find your API key in your account on the OpenAI website. Assign your API key to a variable named API_key in your script. Use the line OpenAI.API_key equals API_key to authenticate your requests. Now, prepare the data you want to embed. This could be a list of documents or sentences that you wish to convert into embeddings. Decide on the model you want to use for generating embeddings. Currently, you can use models like Text Embedding ADA002 for this purpose. Next, create a function to generate embeddings for your data. Use the OpenAI embedding.create method within your function. Pass the model name and your input data to this method. Remember to handle exceptions to catch any errors during the API request. Once you have your embeddings, store them in a variable for future use. You may want to convert these embeddings into a NumPy array for easier manipulation. If you plan to use these embeddings for retrieval, you need to define a similarity function. Cosine similarity is a common choice for comparing embeddings. Implement the cosine similarity function that takes two vectors as input. Now you can set up your retrieval pipeline. Index your embeddings in a data structure, like a list or a dictionary. When a user query comes in, convert it into an embedding using the same method. Calculate the cosine similarity between the user query embedding and your indexed embeddings. Sort the results to find the most similar items based on the similarity scores. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.